What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Stilts from Spirit Halloween. Alright guys, so funny story. This thing I actually used to have. I got it back in like August, but something happened. Somebody left it out in a hurricane and somebody didn't properly tie it or anything to the ground. So he fell and it broke his base, and that was somebody's fault. So that somebody had to return him, and that somebody really wanted him back because I still think he's a really cool prop. So let's get right into this unboxing. Again, we have my girlfriend behind the camera. She's in his shipping box, actually.
Okay, guys, feet content, but there's my box. I'm in it.
All right. So, yeah, we're gonna get this out now. So, first thing we'll pull out is the clothing, since it's right here. It's pretty high quality from what I remember. So yeah, these are. This is his shirt. Yeah, it's got like Velcro in the back to help, and then it's got the sensor built in, and the pom-poms, or whatever they are, they're really squishy. Oh my lord, they're actually kind of cool. Right here we have the pants. Just so you get an idea of how big this guy is, yeah, that takes up everything, and these are the pants. Oh no.
That's the leg.
Wait, wrong way. It's pretty big.
Per?
So, yeah, here is the head. It is a little bit, like, deformed, but not as bad as some have been. There's nothing I can really do about that. It is latex, which I don't love, just because it'll make it dry rot. But, yeah. One. Yeah.
Oh my.
I remember this guy was a hassle to get back in the box, so that should be fun. Okay, so this is one of his bowling pins. Yeah, I actually love the detailing on this. The blood look actually like really good. Like it looks like wet still, you know? Do you see that? Do you see what I'm seeing? Yeah, it's just really good detailing. Spirit needs to do more of that kind of stuff. Make the blood look all wet. Then here is the other pin and hand.
Bodie.
Here is his like hunchback piece that will go behind the mechanism and all that. Here is the mechanism itself, which is pretty intricate. It's got a lot of stuff going on. It's slimy. It's like really like wet and slimy.
I want to feel it. Oh. Like here? Like where? It's oily.
Here is both of the shoes. They're pretty good quality. A lot of the times the shoes are like really flimsy, and if you step on them, they break. But these are actually pretty high quality. They look good and they feel very good. Right here we have some of the leg poles. Here is the other one. Here are the smaller leg poles that go underneath that. So yeah, this guy's gonna be really big. Right here we have the hip loop, which is actually a really small hip loop for how big this guy is. Right here we have the adapter, where we can plug him in. We have the instructions right here. I won't be needing them today just because I've already set this guy up before. We have the base, which is pretty big. Definitely gonna have to take more care of it this time though, and not have it break. Hate that sound. All right, guys. So that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. All right, guys, I'm gonna plug him in for the first time. He's all wired up. Actually, we only really had to plug in the IR sensors, so that was cool. All right.
Oh, it's gonna scare me, I feel like.
Oh.
I'm scared of clowns.
Is he even like...
Uh-oh.
Seriously? That scared me that he didn't work for a second.
I think you can hear my gasp in the video. Because I did. I gasped.
I heard his control box kick on, and I'm like, oh, okay, there we go. We'll do him one more time. Ugh. That's the only one of the only things I don't really like about him. His reset takes forever. So that was Stilts. What do you think? We'll say that first. What do you think of him?
I'm scared of clowns, so I'm scared of it.
Do you think he's cool?
Yes, very.
Yeah. She actually said, like, specifically she wanted to be here for this unboxing because she liked him. Stilts. Yeah, he's awesome. I'm glad that we have him back in the collection and he'll be there for Halloween next year. Okay, so the price tag, $350. Is this guy worth it? Don't pay full price. I really wouldn't. I'd definitely use that 20% off coupon. That'll bring him down to about $280. And then with tax and all that, that'll bring him up to about $300 once he's all done, which, I mean, you're getting a lot. You're getting the tall prop, you're getting his cool face, you're getting him doing this. You're getting you're getting a good amount for $300. I'd say he's worth it with a 20% off coupon, especially if you want him. Yeah, 20% off coupon, go for it. But definitely use it because I don't think he's worth $350 just with no coupon, you know? Do you think he'd be like good for like $280 around there?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, considering because like Mr. Dark and Emmeline's the one that jumps out really far. And Mr. Dark jumps up fast. So like, I think he's pretty good for $280 about. Yeah. Yeah, I'm excited to have him back. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to buy Stilts. Hopefully it's not sold out by then. And I'll also leave a link in the description to the new merch. Yeah, other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.